Hey guys, welcome to my very first ever video for YouTube. Not sure I can do this, but I'm like not a big talker, so anyway, thought I'd give it a shot so that I could open MrsEvally's spring swap and share it with everybody. So I received her package today. Thank you, Tina. Everything is so beautiful, and I don't know how you got so much in that little box. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. So the first thing I want to open is this. Here's some of the packages, just to give you an idea of what's sitting around me, waiting to open. So with that said, I'm going to open this one. It is so pretty with this tissue paper. Ooh, beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? This little deer is gorgeous. I love pink. Oh my gosh, pink is like my favorite color ever. I think these little flowers just need to be poofed up a little. They're gorgeous too. This tassel, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So let's open it. Oh, isn't this cute? I think this goes here. These little paper clips are beautiful. I just love flowers. Roses are my favorite. I love roses on everything. And so she's got a little envelope here. It's so beautiful with a butterfly. And this envelope has a heart. Oh, it's a note. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, I love vintage. Vintage everything. I love shabby, I love vintage, I love pink. Pink's my favorite. I probably said that already. So that is so pretty, and this gorgeous lace. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I just love these roses. And here's the next page. This paper is gorgeous. Look at these cute butterflies and hearts, glittered hearts. They're popped up on foam, I believe. So pretty, yes, so pretty. So you just pop them off and stick them on a project. Cute. I love glitter everything. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Everything that I love there. Glitter, flowers, and pink. Oh my gosh, Tina, that's gorgeous. I love that. And I love this brown paper bag. And this flower right here is so pretty on there. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, and I love bunnies. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Oh, and look at that. I've never seen one of those. That is so cute. Oh, it's full of bags. So she sent me some little goodie bags to fill. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you so much. I love that. I'll cherish that forever. Let's see if I can get to the next one. And so here's the next goodie she sent in her package. Oh, I've got it upside down. And it is a mini loaded hoop. Isn't this beautiful? So pretty. Let's get these paper clips. Oops. Stuck on the gold. Wow. Sorry about that. Let's get these beautiful paper roses. This little clip is caught up in this this beautiful color bow, and this bow. Those will go with practically anything. this cute little little gold pick, heart pick. Oh, and she sent me some of these beautiful, these look vintage colored too, little heart jewels. So pretty. So thank you so much for that, Tina. I don't know if I can get all this back in. It's going to take me forever here. I'll just set it aside and I'll put it back together shortly. Okay, and the next thing is this clear box full of these little hearts that she makes. She punches out a bunch of hearts and staples them together, and these will be so cute on rosettes or just on everything. Oh my gosh, and there's like a million in here. Thank you so much. I'll never run out of hearts. I need to keep this on my desk so I can just grab them when I need one. It's so pretty. And next we have these beautiful butterflies. Oh, and they have these little gems down the centers, and some have gold. These are gorgeous, gorgeous butterflies. Let's see if I can get it open. Kind of fumbling around a little bit. Let's get these, a few out. See how gorgeous that is? Vellum with some, looks like gold foil on top. It's so pretty. And then this one is a striped vellum with some beautiful gems down the middle. They're so pretty. I can't wait to use these on projects. I am set for butterflies for sure. Thank you so much. Okay, and the next package is this cute little gold package with this beautiful doily, all tied up real pretty with gold twine. Y'all, I'm so sorry. This is my first video ever. I don't know what I'm doing. I've watched a million videos. All you other guys, or gals. And I think I would know what I'm doing, but I don't. Oh my gosh, I hate to rip that. Let's see if I can get this out. Oops. Oopsie. There we go. Oh, it's foil. Oh my gosh, this will be so handy. It's got instructions. It's some gold glitter paper, cardstock. Oh, I use that stuff all the time. So these will be so handy. Thank you so much. Can't wait to try this. And on to the next. Isn't this paper so cute? It's so pretty. I love this color. I'm not a fan of purple, but this color, oh my gosh, I love this color. This is like a, kind of like a blue pink. I don't even know what this is called. This color is gorgeous. Got all these doilies all wrapped up there on top. And inside, ooh, look at this. Oh, bags full of bags. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These will come in so handy for Happy Mail. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Thank you so much. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love those. I love gold everything. Just give me gold, 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 gold. Pink and gold. So we already saw the butterflies. And so here's the next package. This cute little bunny bag. He's so cute. And inside she has these 3 packages. I don't know what I'm doing, guys? I don't know. Oh, these are so pretty. I love this orange. And she's gave me some gold leaves. These are so pretty. I love this packaging too. And here's another pretty bag. And inside there are trims and doilies. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. These are just like the perfect size. I have no doilies this size, so those will be perfect. And this is so pretty. It's so funny because I actually cut this same die out in the same glitter paper and stick it on things. Hugs. This is beautiful. I love this. I can't wait to use that. Thank you so much, Tina. And here's the next package. I love this ribbon. It's so cute. And this color doily. Love it. Love it. Sorry, I don't know any other way to open these things. Ooh, chocolate! A chocolate bunny for Easter. I love chocolate and I love bunnies, so this is perfect. I will set this here at my craft table and I will snack on it. Thank you so much. I love to keep candy at my table, my craft table, my craft desk. And last but not least is this cute little basket. It's so cute and it's full of eggs, glitter eggs. I see gold and green, and there's a blue and a pink and kind of a purple here. I'm going to leave it wrapped up just like it is because it's so cute. And that's it for my very first ever video. I know I'm probably so annoying to watch, but if I make any more videos, I will try to be better. And this is so gorgeous too. These colors are so gorgeous. And her box was full of these little flowers. Gorgeous. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one if I make one.